other nutrients. You can add it to your baby's food. You can add it to baby's food. Even for adults, you can use it for adults. So I'll sieve it to get rid of any stone or particles that was not well grinded. Sorry, my dog. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys.
Thank you very much for watching. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make soya bean flour. Soya bean flour. So this is my soya beans and this is dates. So now I will wash it. In case you don't know, you can use soya bean powder for children and adults. It's very rich in protein, so try it for your family. So it is very healthy to add soya bean powder to your children's food. And right now I'm selecting stones from the soya bean. Selecting stones and dirt out.
Go to the walk. See.
It's fine. Go and give Daddy to shop for you. So I'll wash my dates. Dates is for sweetener. I'll wash it now. So now I'm opening to remove the seed from the dates.
Let me see.
These are the seed.
See. I see.
Come here, slippers. Okay, so now I will leave it in the sun to dry. I'll leave it to dry very well. dry both the soya beans and the dates. Soya beans is well dried, and this is the dates is also dried. So now I'm going to transfer it to my pot and then fry it. I'll fry it first because I want my soya bean powder to come out brown. It's optional. If you don't want to fry it, you can as well grind it like this. So guys, I'm done grinding the I'm done grinding the soya beans. So this is our soya bean powder. Let me open it. So this soya bean powder is very healthy for children. It contains protein and other nutrients. You can add it to your baby's food. You can add it to baby's food. Even for adults, you can use it for adults. So I'll sieve it to get rid of any stone or particles that was not well grinded. Sorry my dear.
Let me see. See your powder.
It's a powder, not powder. It's soya bean flour. Soya bean powder. Use. If you want to start a soya bean powder business, this is how to prepare it. I should give you. You like it? So I'll transfer it to my container. Animal.
Where is he? I got him.
So you're doing it now. Don't worry, don't worry. Come and take one. Come and take your own. I'm done with the soya bean powder. This is how to process it, so you can prepare it for your family. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.